All right, good morning. Today I'm going to be showing us a little introduction to our new hospital management system. Here you see the name of this hospital. This is the login page, the login interface to access the HMS Suite. You see this hospital name here because this is the present hospital we are customizing our solution for. If you have signed up on our system, your hospital name will be appearing here. So quickly I'm going to be logging into the HMS platform. The HMS stands for Hospital Management System, and then the suite tells you it is an all-in-one system that contains both all the tools you need to run your hospital operations, something like human resources management, operations, chart of account, attendance, appointment, and so many others, which we are going to be seeing in this brief introduction. Here, this is the dashboard. When you log in as a super admin or the owner of a business or the director that have access, you will see all these things. If you have access to them, whatever you have access will appear on your dashboard. Now take note that we have different skin design for the system, which you can choose at any point in time. You can change the color to whichever one you want, to green or blue, whichever default that we have set in the system, which you can find in the system settings, which are here. You can say, for example, you pick this one, you apply it, the skin interface will be changed. So you have different view of your interface or how you want your system to look, how best you like it. So I'm going to change back to the charcoal, though we are also still uploading new ones. We're going to be having more small designs, so you can select any one that best suits your eye. Okay, now on this dashboard you can see all the income that you are getting in the hospital. You'll be able to get them here, like OPD, outpatient department income. Whatever sales is made on that department, you see it reflecting here. Inpatient department, whatever sales is being done, you see it here. Pharmacy sales, all the pharmacy sales will be seen here. Pathology sales will be seen here. Radiology, smart laboratory. Smart laboratory is the same thing for pathology, but we have two different ones here, so you can select whichever laboratory management system suits your operation. Okay, so we have blood bank, ambulance income, general income, expenses, and the orders. So here we also have requisition, we have suppliers, we have budget, we have patients, we have insurance. All these are the dashboard, intuitive dashboard that shows you the operations in the system. Requisition here, if staff has requested for an item and you need to disburse the item, you will see the requisition here. The system will tell you you have pending requisitions to approve. For example, someone wants a laptop in the IT department or from the doctor's department. You send a request to whoever is assigned as a supervisor to approve that laptop for them. So if you are the one to approve the laptop, to show on your requisition dashboard here that you have pending request. When you click on it, it will actually open and show you the pending request that you have, and once you approve it, it will be seen in the person who requested it that this request has been approved, and then it can be given. So on the left here we have the dashboard, we have the patient module, we have the appointment module, contract, billing module, pharmacy. This is artificial intelligence, but we actually built this one customizably for Dr. Amadasin. But then if your hospital, or when your hospital signs up with us, we can build your own AI system for you, name it to your system or whoever you wish to honor with it. So we have pathology, we have radiology, SmartLab, QA/QC, under QC we have quite a lot of things: training, evaluation, risk management and all that. We have human resources module here where you can use to manage your staff, and all that. So we have ambulance, blood bank, and so many other modules I have here. At the end of this, I'm going to be dropping a link so you can log in and check the whole system for yourself. So you register a patient, you can actually register a patient from here, and then you can select a category, patient type, you put the title and all of that. When you're done, you select the TPA and then you save. Now our system has a built-in system where we have integrated with the API calls with some insurance companies. So if you want to submit your insurance claim, all you need to do is make sure you let us know that you need that as an part of the package. We can enable that for you. So when your insurance team are submitting the insurance bills for the end of the month, all they need to do is submit the insurance bill and the insurance claim, and then it goes straight to the insurance company. Okay, that is supposed to. So like for example, now we have taken this insurance company here. You can open the insurance portal here and you can submit your insurance claims here. You open the portal, for example, to check a patient's validity. This insurance company, the portal seems down. So let's look for another portal. But however, that's how you select the insurance. You open the portal. From here, you submit your insurance claim. If you have entered all the required information in the settings, your claims will be submitted here. However, we have other options for API calls and submitting insurance claims, but on request. So here, patient, we've talked about patient here. You can search patient, and this OPD, I talk about OPD SmartLab. For example, if you have any patient that is coming in from any medical laboratory that is already running our SmartLab software, you can call up their medical report here directly. You don't have to ask for a physical medical report. All you need to do is ask the patient what is their patient ID or their patient code with those particular laboratory. For example, Safari Laboratory, Alpha Laboratory, Odell Medical Laboratory, and so all the other ones. For example, if you can see a list of the laboratories that are already registered in our system, they are all showing here. Okay, so you select the laboratory and you can import the patient's medical report straight into the system. So pharmacy, we have pharmacy. They can sell your pharmacy drugs. You can see your medicines that are imputed in the system. You can, but like I said, it's just a brief introduction to this, and okay, so you can do quite a lot of that in the system. So here, for example, you want to check your patient that have been admitted. You see your inpatients, you see the status of your beds. If there are patients there, you can in a single click you can actually manage the patient's status. Okay, now this is a patient profile, for example. You can see all those information about the patient. This patient overview, the patient nurse's notes, medication, prescriptions, consultant register, lab investigations for that patient, operations for that patient, charges, payments made by that patient, live consultation, bed history, timeline, treatment history, vitals of the patient, previous obstetric history, postnatal history, and so many others that are available. Okay, all right. Now, so this is how you check the inpatient. So now to collect your bill, the payment, you can go to billing. The billing department can take billing from appointment, OPD, pathology, radiology, blood bank, insurance, general income, pharmacy, all that. You can just select whichever. For example, you want to